Good morning to each and every one of us. I am here to guide you along on the lesson for the first quarter. The topic we are going to take up is about the lesson on modal verbs. Lesson 1 tackles on modal verbs for permission, obligation, and prohibition. In a while, let's have a recap. Answer the questions that follow. First question. What do you call those words in sentences that denote action? Adverb, verb, conjunction. That's right. The correct answer is verb. Let's move to number 2. Which of these words are action words? Happy, report, wash. Good. You got it right. The correct answer is or are report and wash. Number 3 question. If verbs refer to action words, what do you call those words that help or support them? Helper, auxiliary, adjective. Good job! The correct answer is auxiliary. Next question, number 4. What do you do if you want to borrow something from a classmate? You ask for what? Sorry, help, permission. You made it! The correct answer is permission. Down to the last question. Can you define verbs in one brief but concise sentence? That's great. Amazing. Verbs are words to describe an action, state, or occurrence, and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence, such as report, wash, help, and many others. Other examples of verbs? Yes, act, enjoy, donate, love, search, and a lot more. At this point, analyze. Read the sentences. Notice the underlined words. Number 1, people must observe proper social distancing in public places. Number 2, they can't go anywhere without a face mask. 3, the president may lift the NGCQ by the end of the month. 4, people have to follow the guidelines or protocols of NGCQ. The underlined words must observe, can't go, may lift, have to follow. They are the verbs used in the sentences 1, 2, 3, and 4. The verbs observe, go, or go out, follow, lift begin with the modal verb or word must observe, can't go out, have to follow, may lift. So, what are modal verbs? The words must, can't, may, have to are special verbs called modal verbs, also known as auxiliary verbs. They are different from the normal verbs. How do modal works? Or how do modals work? Modal verbs help change the form of other verbs so they can be used with other purposes, like expression of permission, obligation, and prohibition. Remember, modal verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs. They are different from the normal verbs. They come before an action word or verb. Modal verbs can be used to express permission, obligation, prohibition. Modal verbs used to express permission, such as may, can, could. Modal verbs to express obligation include the words must, have to. For prohibition, can't, mustn't. Now, let's do a simple task or activity. Can you identify the purpose of modal verbs in these sentences? Number 1, people must observe proper social distancing in public places. Must is used to express obligation. Number 2, they can't go out without a face mask. Can't is used to express prohibition. 3, the president may lift the MGCQ by the end of the month or by the end of the month. May is used to express permission. 4, people have to follow the guidelines or protocols of MGCQ. Have to is used to express obligation. I think you are ready to take another task which you will work on tonight in your home. Assignment will be posted in the Google Classroom tonight, so check it out before going to bed. Should you have questions or doubts about our lesson, then you can post your comments or questions in our Google Classroom. With that, I want everyone to stay safe and God bless us all.